Hi, and welcome to Foxys Den. Well, what have we got on the bench today? Well, I thought first I'd let you have a little look at my camera setup with the microphone at the moment that I'm using. There you go. Say hi to my camera and microphone. Hope you can see that there. Well, okay, right here we'll go back to what's on the bench. So here we are. We've got my little Nagra E, which is a very nice machine. I really like this one. I thought we'd just have a little quick look at it because you only saw it briefly in one of my other videos, and you seem very interested in all the things that I bring out to show you. So here we are. We'll show you this. And we just we can flip the lid so we can get a little bit easier into it. If I can just lift that a little bit, and we can see that very well because I can't see the screen on my camera at the moment. But there we go. As I said, that's the machine itself. We have 3 heads, and as I said, I'd like to show you this working at the moment, but unfortunately I don't have enough D-cell batteries at the moment. They cost an absolute fortune, and I forget how many this uses. Yeah, I think there's 12 D-cells that go in there. I think that's right. Right, so we do have a few controls on the front here. We have the record and playback and stop control here, which actually won't move at all with that, because there is a little locking mechanism in there, which does require you to have thumbnails. And so you just put that into that little screw there, and it'll pop open. You can also need to do the other one as well. There we are. Now you can move it. It can also be locked in any one of those positions as well by twisting those. It's quite a neat little thing. Right, as I say, we've got the VU meter on the front there, and as you can see, it is a single speed, which is 7.5 inches per second, and it's a full track, so it records on just one full track of the tape. So you can only use the one side of the tape. Right, the other thing is, yes, of course, we've got these locking reels, which unscrew, so you can take the reels off. It's necessary for these to be firmly screwed on, otherwise you'll lose the tape. Right, so we'll just show you what you're really interested in. You really want to see inside this, don't you? I'm sure you do. Right, well, I say we'll just turn it around here like so. Now you just need to undo these screws here, which I've already just undone, and very carefully we can lift that up there. Now take a look at that. What do we have here? Well, we have here the full schematics for this machine. How about that? And what else do we have here? We have a set of spare components for repairs in the field. And not only that, you're perhaps wondering what this long piece of wire is in here, and the connection that is on there, as well as a little probe. And there's a facility on here for you to plug that into, I can't actually remember where it is, but there's a little test point somewhere. And then that actually turns the VU meter into a voltmeter. So you can do some voltage checks and service this machine in the field, as it were. But just take a look at that construction there. So that is a thing of beauty, isn't it? That really is beautiful, isn't it, the way it's built? you can see that it's extremely well built and really well laid out as well. We've got a single motor drive for the machine itself, for all the functions on there. Right, well, there we go. That's the inside of it, which I thought you might be interested in. It's as I say, it's a really nice machine. As I say, I love this machine. As I say, it's in such excellent condition as well, because as I say, these usually do have quite a hard life sometimes. They're not always well looked after. This is one of the ones for the exception, and one of the things I'm particularly pleased about is the fact that these calibration stickers are still intact and they're still on here, which means this machine has been unmolested, unless it's been molested and someone has put new calibration stickers on it. Right, there's another thing that we can do actually as well, is as I say, if we just remove the tape there for a moment, it is actually these are just 5-inch reels which we've got on here, and we can put that one down there just for the moment. I can just show you that we can actually, if we so wish, we can actually fit. I can just get that to go on there. I just can't. I can't see it there. Yeah. I can actually put that on there. We can actually get 7-inch reels on there. Unfortunately, we can't close the lid, but there is actually a lid that you can buy for this machine, which enables you to use 7-inch reels on it. It does make it a little bit awkward and cumbersome, but mostly the machine will be left in this position rather than being carried about if it's got the larger reels on. And of course, not only that, for even longer record and play times, you can actually have another piece of equipment which you can get for this, which is a little device which extends onto the back of the machine with additional arms and connected up mechanically to the machine, which enables you to put the very large 10.5-inch reels which I have on the Revox. That really does make this quite a cumbersome machine, but it's very versatile, as you can actually get 10.5-inch reels onto one of these machines. But there we are. That's it basically for now. So I hope you enjoyed watching that and seeing the insides of it. I hope it has turned out all right, because as I say, I didn't really want to lift that too much. It is quite heavy. But there you go. Well, thanks for watching, and as always, more to come later. And of course, don't forget to leave the comments down in down below the video as usual. Well, thanks for watching. Bye daisies.